Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the EA servers are unavailable right now, please try again later error in FC26. This method is quick, safe, and works for most players on PC. Let's jump right in. First, go to the search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. Find your active network adapter, double-click it, and click Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and click Properties. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then below that, select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then close all the windows. Next step, go back to Search and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset, then press Enter again. Once that's done, restart your computer. After the restart, launch FC26 again, and in most cases, the EA server error will be completely gone. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes like this, and I'll see you in the next one.